All right, so I backed y'all up a little bit so see a little better. I'm just going to kind of use this as a little workbench. I'm just going to take some sandpaper and rub. I'm not going to do a big, I guess I'll go. I think most of it was dirt and stuff in there, so that comes off real good. It doesn't feel rusty or anything. We're just going to kind of go around here like this. You kind of push the tire around to give yourself some more room. And I just go around with sandpaper. If you really wanted to go after, you get a wire wheel, go in there, and that's what I would do for a real bad one. This one does not feel bad. I think what happened is this thing, you know, just went flat and it got dirt and stuff in there. That's all the way around. Feel a little bit of gunk right here, and then I kind of run my hand around. You can feel, you know, where it feels rough, and in any real rough space is where it's not gonna seal up well. So I got a rough space right in there, and it could be dirt, you know, just stuck in there. It could be rust. Want to try to get it as smooth as possible. I don't even know what grit sandpaper this is. It's pretty fine. I take one quick pass over all of it, and then I just hit the rough spots again, and just try to smooth them out, you know. If it's real bad, you can take like a screwdriver or something and use it to kind of scrape it. So that actually was some rust there. Yeah, just knock the big stuff off with a screwdriver, and then go back to your sandpaper, smooth it out a little more. Got a little bit in here. Spot right here. And that feels pretty good. Got a little bit of roughness right there where I knocked off some. I haven't gone back over it with sandpaper, and maybe a little bit right there where I knocked this piece off. My sandpaper is getting pretty beat. We'll go over it with fresh. Feeling pretty good. And we'll hit this area over here again. And that feels good. That should not leak. So I take an old rag, kind of my demoted rags, you know, the real oily ones, working on the Mercedes. I kind of go over the tire and the rim. You just kind of clean all that junk out. Clean up, you want the bead of the tire clean. Because anything that's on the bead of the tire is going to be between the tire and the rim. You just kind of want to scrub that stuff out of there. And that looks pretty good. So then I'll take my dish soap and take it, and we're gonna get a good coat around the bead of the tire. It'll also help clean around here, but the main thing, it makes it real slippery. Makes it slide on the bead, you know, seat against the bead real easily. And in my experience, it helps seal the bead. All right, and I wiped it, once the rag was all soapy, I wiped the bead as well. So we've got that piece of valve stem in here, and the easiest way to get that out is to roll the tire to one side. So now that valve stem should be right around here. Should be able to fish it out of here. I felt it. Should be right down in here. It's a little tire. I got some paper. What kind of paper? Where is... Yeah, there's somewhere. What paper we got? I don't know what that is, but it was down in the tire. Where is it? Aha, I see it. Tight fit. Got it. Luckily that was soaked up. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna feel around here first. We'll go over it with a screwdriver first. Wipe some of this soap off my hands. Go over this. Probably should have started off with the screwdriver on the other one as well, but I really didn't think the rim was rusty. You kind of hear it scraping off rust. All right. Go sandpaper now. Alright. That feels pretty good. So I think I'm gonna call that good. Let's take our rag and clean around the bead. We'll clean the tire. Alright, we are ready to put our new valve stem in. So I'm gonna bring y'all back closer. Alright, let's get y'all about right there. And what I'm gonna do is clean that area. Looks like they've got some paint on here. A couple coats. So let's hit that with some sandpaper. Get a fresh piece. Clean spot on this one. That paint's all flaking off, so we will see if we can burn through it. Well, burn through most of it. I'm getting down to some bare metal, so I don't want to make it rust right there. I guess it's held on pretty good right there. Should seal up, and we kind of want to wipe the inside as well. Just make sure we got a good surface to seal up, and then we're gonna get our new valve stem. Like I said, I got these little short ones. These are, I forget what they're. There's a name for the size. I don't recall what it is. I'll put a link in the description to them if you need some of them. So we're gonna put soap on this thing. More dish soap. Like I said, just go to the dollar store, get the biggest thing of dish soap. And that just makes this so much easier. So you get your little 4-way tire tool, which I think now is under my, so have it ready, and then you're gonna push the tire down, start it in the hole, you can still see, and then screw this onto the pull it through. Easy peasy. So I'm going to take the valve core out. So that we can seat this thing against the bead. I'm going to actually go take this in the shop, so I don't have to drag out the air hose.